At Emerald Packaging, we run 4 million quality bags a day. When it comes to traceability, we put our trust in Domino Bitjet.
Well, the company was founded in 1963 by my father and 4 partners. About 5-6 years ago, the second generation bought my father out. We are now completely a second generation family business. We've grown since 2002 from about $18 million in sales to this year we'll top $80 million.
We are located in Union City, California. We're the second largest employer in Union City. We proudly provide for over 230 employees and their families. Our principal marketplace is the fresh cut produce industry.
I think we are the last printing company of our type in the Bay Area. 20 years ago, there were probably 30 companies that did what we do, but today we're the last.
Several years ago, one of our principal customers, Growers Express, who handles the Green Giant label, came to us with an idea, and that idea was unit-level traceability, or track and trace to consumers that gives them the ability to see exactly when, where, and who harvested that fresh-cut produce.
This had never been done before. And in that sense, really exciting, right? For us to be involved in the ground floor of something.
We were faced with 3 significant challenges in the unit-level traceability project that we took on. The first was simply being able to print onto the substrate. The second challenge that we faced was being able to maintain speed. And the last challenge was getting each and every individual unit in a QR form and a human-readable form onto every package.
Working with a company like Domino to solve a problem for the customer, completely new, that actually promotes food safety, I mean, you come through that with a great feeling.
We chose the Domino Bitjet printer for several reasons. One of them being size. It has a very small footprint. Secondly, the speed. The Bitjet runs fast enough for us to run without losing efficiencies. And finally, the ease of use. We run our operations 24 hours a day, and it requires an ease of use and a simplicity of use that has to happen whether it's 2 in the afternoon or 2 in the morning.
We wouldn't be doing what we're doing today with Growers Express and food safety if it hadn't been for Domino. We just wouldn't be doing it.
Domino's proven to be a very solid partner for Emerald Packaging. They've really gone above and beyond in helping us to bring a technology to the marketplace that didn't exist prior to us partnering with Domino.
You know, we elevated our own company, and to be able to link with a company like Domino, which in our industry everybody knows, you know, it's just fantastic. Thanks, Domino.